Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. This is day 6 of our 10 for 10 challenge, 10 minutes of yoga for 10 days. If you're still hanging in there with the challenge, make sure you leave a fire emoji in the comments. Let's get started in a child's pose. Continue to walk your hands towards the top of your mat, feeling a stretch in the top of your shoulders. Let's rise up into a kneeling position. Clasp your hands together and begin to move your hands and your wrist around. Feeling a stretch in the wrist, maybe your wrist crack a little bit. And now clasp your hands behind your low back, placing your hands on your left hip and lowering your right ear to your right shoulder. Let's switch sides, placing our hands on our right hip and lowering our left ear down to our left shoulder. Straighten your arms behind you as you lower your chin towards your chest. And now drop your head back, opening your chest forward, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Let's come into a tabletop position on hands and knees. Start to move your body through a figure 8 motion or a snake motion, taking any movement that feels good here. Come back into your neutral tabletop. Extend your left leg behind you, reaching up with the left arm for a modified side plank. And then just lower that left arm to the left ear. I won't be mirroring you for this sequence, so you just go the opposite direction of me. Let's bend the left knee, planting the left foot, extending the arms out to the side, and now you just place that left forearm on top of the left thigh, reaching the right arm up and over. Turn to face the back of your mat, coming into a low lunge. So your left foot is in front, the foot is planted, and you want to sink deep into your hips as you shine your chest forward. Low lunge twist, lift your left arm up, maybe looking up at the hand. Reach behind you and lower that left hand down. Curl the toes under, straightening the back leg. High crescent lunge, we lift the arms up overhead, sink a little bit deeper into the hips, and your back heel is lifted. Open up for warrior 2. So that back leg is straight, front leg is bent, arms are in a T position. Let's straighten our front leg for a reverse triangle, lifting up and back with that left arm. And now we reach forward all the way until you can't reach anymore, and triangle pose, Lower that left hand down in front of the left foot, reaching up with the right arm, opening your chest, looking up. Come up into your star pose, so you're facing the side of your mat, reaching up, looking up. Let's reach all the way back and wide-legged forward fold. And you can bend the knees or take any movement that you need here. Let's turn to face the front of our mat for forward fold. Halfway lift, hands to shins, lengthen your spine, looking down. Come into your crouch and curl, lifting the heels, lowering the hips, bringing the forehead to the knees. Keep your arms straight, lift the heels as much as possible. And back into your tabletop. Extend your right leg behind you this time, reaching up with that right arm for your modified side plank. Right arm lowers to your right ear. And we come up, bending that right knee, planting the right foot, arms reach out. And now right forearm to right thigh, lift up and over with the left arm. Turn to face the back of your mat for low lunge. Shine your chest forward. Low lunge twist, lift your right arm up. Reach behind you, and we lower that right hand down to the mat. Curl the back toes under, straightening the back leg. High crescent lunge, lift the arms up. Warrior 2, spin your back heel down, arms come into that T position. Straighten your front leg, reaching up and back for your reverse triangle. Let's reach forward, hinging from the hips, and triangle pose. Lower that right hand, lift the left arm, open the chest as you look up. And we come up for our star pose, reaching up. Bend your knees, bringing your hands to heart center. Lift your left heel and lower it down. Lift your right heel and lower it down. Lift your left heel again and lift your right heel again. And now we pulse up and down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come to the front of your mat for forward fold. Halfway lift. Crouch and curl, lift those heels, keep the arms straight, forehead to knees. Come back into your tabletop and then lower all the way down onto your belly. We make our way into a baby cobra, lifting the chest 2 or 3 inches off the mat, squeezing the shoulder blades together. And lower back down. Clasp your hands behind your low back, lifting your chest and your legs off the mat this time for locust pose. Looking down, lifting up a little bit more, and lower back down. And we end class by coming into our child's pose, taking a few deep breaths. Take one more inhale, breathing in through your nose, and let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Remember, if you made it this far in the challenge, leave a fire emoji in the comments. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including live, longer classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.